Unbox and set up the HP Laser 330,000 printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide, power cord, and USB cord depending on your region. Remove the printer from the box. Remove all packaging material and tape from the exterior of the printer. Open the front cover. Remove the foam cushion and packaging material from inside the printer. Carefully pull to remove the toner cartridge from the printer. Remove the label and the protective cap from the cartridge. Gently rock the cartridge side to side, about 5 or 6 times to distribute the toner. Insert the cartridge into the printer and close the front cover. Open the paper input tray. Load paper into the tray and adjust the paper guides to rest against the edges of the stack. Close the paper tray. Connect the power cord to the rear of the printer and then plug the other end into a power outlet. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button to turn on the printer. To install the printer software, scan the QR code on the setup guide or go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model and select Next. Select the option to download the HP Smart App or HP Easy Start software, depending on your printer model. Once you have downloaded the software, open it and follow the prompts to complete the install.